2016 Dodge Challenger 392 special edition. It's called a Shaker edition. You'll see it in the hood, the cowl hood. It's still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it comes with a factory X pipe. Then we took both mid mufflers or mid resonators out, replaced them with 3-inch pipe, and then did the same in the back. Replaced the 2 mufflers or resonators. They're right there. And put some 4-inch tips on it, dual tips. Right there and right there. If you want those tips, we'll leave you guys a description in the description to look them up on Amazon. Sorry guys. So if you guys want those tips, they look really nice. They fit it perfectly, as you guys can see. I'll let you guys hear in a minute. Beast mode initiated. If they all don't sound like that, then you're not doing exhaust right. That's what we took off the back 2 mufflers. Oh man, I love that sound. Beast mode. Yeah, when it's an idle, you don't hear it. I love it. I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. See, that's the difference between the Shaker and the regular one. That cowl hood. That's why it sounds so much better. Makes a huge difference in sound. Makes the exhaust sound. There's that. It's a special edition Shaker. And it does shake. Yeah, let it breathe more.